So we proceed with the notes. That is, we now doing analysis of variance. That's the next aspect of your notes that you should. Yeah. So now, say you want to do an analysis of variance. Some of you, these are things that you did in regression analysis, in the first semester. But now we want to move on to what you are doing using the computer can just be done. So using manual method can just be done using the computer. Okay. Say in Excel, you want to do what is the variance, the analysis of variance between A, B, and C. So I have three. So always, as I said, so you can input these values. That is for A, for column A, I have 2. Is it all 2? Column B is 3, 4, and 3, 6, and then column C, you have just fictitious data. It can be you want to get variation between different cohorts, different group of persons. Say, for example, I want to know the living condition of persons at Mabela, others at Krobe, others at Kinton. So that could be like 3 different, but the same treatment is given to all of them, and you observe outcome. See, these are like the outcome, and then you want to know what is the variation. Is there differences between these 3 groups that I have selected, or there are no differences? That is basically what analysis of variance it's actually depicting. So here is, and I for you, I say like you're doing population studies, it's also quite important. Say, oh, I want to. You can search on what analysis of variance is. It's quite useful for you because statistics and population, these are just like joint work, and it's just that for statistics you might want to be involved in some other aspect of statistics, but for population you might be interested in actually the demographic features of your population, and as the case may be. So you can search and get some understanding about what is an analysis of variance. But if you can just Google that on your own, what analysis of variance is, what is it talking about, where is it applicable, the use of analysis of variance. So in the long run, when you are doing your search or when you're doing your research in population studies or in statistics, then when you encounter variables of that nature, you say, oh, I think I can use the analysis of variance to better explain this type of variables, and you can get good results there. Okay, so you always input the data. After inputting the data, you activate the data analysis toolbar. Then from data analysis toolbar, you also you also is you also try to see, you select a single factor before you can run your analysis, and get your answers as the case may be. Okay, so the what is just important, I expect you also to enter the data, which I know you can do. And when you are running analysis, you come to what the analysis factor that we have, that is the ANOVA single factor. I will demonstrate that one, and then you can talk about you group by column, and then you can get your output. Something that of this nature will appear as a result in your ANOVA analysis. You get something of that nature in your ANOVA analysis. So I just want your own assignment on your own task is what is analysis of variance, whether you are reading statistics or you're reading population studies, whatever is your first task is what is analysis of variance. That's your assignment. So when you are giving me feedback, you need to tell me something that you've learned or what analysis of variance, where is it useful, and you demonstrate for me how do you interpret the result of what analysis of variance, and you can get, this is just the step that if I have data, this is the procedure I should follow to do the analysis of variance. So let me illustrate that one. Let's say now we come to, this is your Excel spreadsheet. Oh, sorry about that. I'm looking for my Excel spreadsheet here. Oh. Yeah, I'm having class now. Are you? Yes, I'm hearing you. You want to say something? Sorry, okay, anything, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay, so let's say we want to illustrate the analysis of variance I have just discussed with you. Say I'm talking about three categories there. The three categories are like you want to know the category A could be like Mabila, category B, you have category B, category C, and you have data. Say I have this perspective data 2.5, 1.8, you have 5.5, you have 6.5. Okay, so you have these three perspective data. Oh, and then for C, category C, I have 1.8, 2.3, 2.5, 3.6, and then category C, let's assume I have 3.2, 2.2, 2.8, and 3.5. Let's say you have these three categories and you just want to do analysis of variance. Remember, your assignment is what is analysis of variance? How is it useful? How can I apply its application? So that is your Google search. Just basic search in Google, you get results for that. So here you see, your first task is I have to activate analysis toolpak. You go to your analysis toolpak, you activate your analysis toolpak. Look at it, you can see single factor, ANOVA single factor. You can also search about ANOVA replicate factor, two factors without replication. All of that depends upon your data. You can come and then, so I said I want ANOVA single factor, so I want to know. Then I come and then enter all my data. You enter your data. After entering the data, you can group by columns. See the labels in the first row so that it will not consider the first row as any. Okay, in the you have that one. So you also have, you can put your data in the output range, and you can even select it's at the alpha 5%, that is 95% confidence interval. You can get your so you can select a new work like let me select that, and then you say give me the result, so you can see your ANOVA analysis. Okay, so have you seen for A, how many counts do I have? I have 4 counts. Some of the counts in A, some of the counts in B, some of the counts in C. What is the average? These are the things that we report on. What is the average? That is, this is the mean for A, the mean for B, the mean for C. And then here, what is the variation there, the variance? Okay, and because here you look at the p-value here, the p-value as you can see it is 0.337. It's not less than 0.05. So therefore, you don't have enough evidence to conclude that the people are having the same condition of life. But if the p-value was less than 0.05, then you can say you don't have sufficient evidence to deny that for A, B, and C, that is it. But as the case may be now, We cannot accept the null hypothesis, we will accept the alternative hypothesis. And that also can be seen from what? The F critical. F critical is 4.6 and F accidental is what? 1.112. So because of that difference between the F critical and the F calculated, which one is, if F critical is greater than F calculated, then you what do? You reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis. As the case may be, that you don't have sufficient evidence to. But that is just my task here is how do you use Excel to do ANOVA if I give you data so far. I want to stop sharing and then maybe I can hear some comment from you, get feedback. If you're having any issues, I can explain that. Is it okay to everyone? Mohammed Bayo, are you there? Is it okay? Are you understanding it little by little?
Yes.
I hope you guys have the pack. Please encourage everyone to buy the pack. If you don't have the pack, you lose marks in your continuous assessment, and it's time bound. That is one, you lose marks, and also there will be time I won't get feedback from you because even if you send your feedback, I won't respond to it unless we want to see that your work is quite simple and you can use modern technology, not for only you will be benefiting from this because in the long run you'll have to use this technology to reach to other people and actually show them how you can impact your community, your society. So I am glad that you guys are really cooperating and so I'll upload the notes. So any comments so far? Are we okay with the lecture so far? Is that okay? So now I have three work that I've given to you. The first one is you have to complete the descriptive statistics. The second one is that you have to do me the component bar chart or the multiple bar chart that we just did for the cross tabs. And then the final one that I have is the ANOVA analysis of variance that we have done. So I want you to go and look at it when as a statistician, as a population student, where do I use cross types? Where do I use ANOVA? Where do I use descriptive statistics? And then you give me feedback before tomorrow's class, okay? I think we can make it before tomorrow. I just want to see guys should be don't just relax. It's good also you are doing some practical work that is helpful to your career. Any further questions you want to hear from? Yeah, Patrick, can you hear us now? Yeah, you can unmute the mic. Just click on it. Click on it what you have. Yeah, click on it. You can unmute the mic and then you can make a comment. Just click. Yeah, on your earpiece. There's something like you can click to tell you are. Yes, you click that. Then your mic will be unmuted and then you can. Like if I want to mute my mic, I just need to click this one. I don't know if that's how it's working. Yeah, I can click on it, but it's for your own. I don't know. Maybe your system, you can go there and where you have to unmute your mute, then you make a comment. But your colleagues will help you out with that, and you can. So any further question before we call this class off for today? And so I hope I will upload this one immediately we're done to the channel, and you guys need to share, tell your colleagues in the group that the class you have work to submit against tomorrow, and those who submit the work, if you submit late, then you'll be affected. You don't need to submit late. You need to submit in time. So your first task is you look at all the notes that I've given to you, the notes that you have covered today. You look at the channel again, and then do the work against tomorrow so that I know you can do the descriptive statistics in Excel, you can do your charting, you can draw your bar graph, your pie chart, your histogram. You can do also your ANOVA analysis, single factor ANOVA analysis in Excel. Okay? And that is quite useful for your analysis as you guys will be writing dissertation come next academic year. And you need tools then to analyze the data and get your conclusions. Is that clear? Yeah. Any questions before we end this class for today? And I expect to get feedback from you against tomorrow with reference the work that I said you should run, do in Excel and for me. Yes, Mohammed, you want to say something?
Yeah, yes, with regards to your YouTube channel, we may like for you to share the link in
Okay.
WhatsApp
Okay.
form so that we.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that after the
so that we can yeah.
I'll share that. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Any other issue again? Is that okay?
I think for me, it's okay.
Okay. That's quite good. Yeah. All right then. So I call this. I'll just send the notes now. Okay. I'll send it now. So bye for now. Hope you chat more on the WhatsApp for us. Okay. Yeah.